Guys, it's always full here at La Veriol. So it's very important that you have your reservation if you're going to come over here. Yeah, it's good to have a reservation. You know what I mean, borrow that?
Sure.
Oh, it's very nice. You're going to have a bath first and then you're going to have the massage. It's very beautiful. Thank you.
Walk-in yan naman namin, siguro weekdays normally.
Kapag
Kasi
hindi
weekdays,
fully booked,
hindi
ano?
naman ganun. Marami pero hindi ganun ka ano, nakakatulad ng Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Nice.
Kasi almost
Yeah,
family day
picture
yun.
tayo.
Yeah. Thank you.
Please picture tayo. Thank you po.
Yeah.
Thank you so much po. Thank you.
Guys, the Kawa Hot Bath is 499 pesos. And they have the Kawa Package A, which is Kawa Hot Bath with full body massage. It's 1,099 pesos. Then they also have Kawa Package B, which is 1,599 if you want Kawa Hot Bath with Ventosa or Hot Stone. Then, if you want Ventosa or Hot Stone only, that's 1,399. If you want dry massage.
Ito yung massage kita na kita.
What's dry massage? I'm wondering what that is. Meaning there's nothing to put in you, it's dry.
There's no stone.
Full body massage, it's 899. And you can also have an optional products like milk bath, you are going to add 110 pesos, bath bombs, 99 pesos, facial collagen mask, 85, and Himalayan salt, 85 pesos. I mean, we could have availed this if we should have known that we have to book in advance, but we don't. Anyway, guys, it's a nice experience if you're here in Tagaytay. It's good if you're going to, you know, come over here and experience. Alright, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you're new in our channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Goodbye!